You can knock down all the yahoos if they come in because I didn't do the subscriber only thing. Hi, Victoria. Hi, Arity. Did I do it right today? Oh, you did get the notice. Ooh, I was just right on the edge, wasn't I? You're home today. Wow. Sanity for your crochet madness? What's going on with that? We're doing the vertical today, so this is just all freestyle. It's freestyle. Serbs has been fed. It is raining, 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 and more rain. How is it for you guys? Are you guys getting tons of rain? My goodness. Hey, Roseanne. Good to see you. Yay. Crocheting up a storm for your show. Your hands are hurting you like mad, I imagine. I've been hurting. It's a Monday, so Fitbit or Apple Fit or Fitness or whatever that is, whoever they are that are keeping track, they say that I am unsteady. I need to be careful or I will fall. No kidding. My heart rate's, my walking heart rate has gone up. No kidding. Today's coffee is mint chocolate chip by Cookie Jar. Now, it looks backwards here. Is it backwards to you guys? It used to be that I could do something to change that. Oh, my chat filter wasn't right either. You had wicked storm on Saturday, early evening, gray drizzle day now. Ooh. Ooh, wicked storm is not fun. Yeah, I got these from Tracy from I Love Loopy Crochet and Treasures, her Etsy store. That's where I got them. Now, whether she has more of them, I don't know. And then this is the Reverde wrap. This is the make along I was doing with Turnpike, Knitting Turnpike. She hasn't put a video out in a while because I guess her eyes are just bad. You've had all the rain too. Lovely. More rain. Yeah, from Gina. Yep. Was Gina and somebody else. Yeah, how do you mirror it? I found that button at one time, but I can't find it now. Now, Tank, I'm not going to worry about the yahoos unless we have nasty comments. I'm in my Texas cup. Roseanne, you did that one too, and you did the knitted version. I had the yarn and the pattern all ready to go to do the knitted version. I just never have got back to it. Just never got back to it. I think this one flips you around. Yes, that flips you around. Turn the camera off. Didn't know I could turn the camera off. That's fun. Got green screen. Oh, that's funny. Let's do that. Hey, hey. That's funny. Oh, gosh.